In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PDF file on Facebook Messenger. So you can see on the messaging platform of Messenger, there is no option to send an attachment from where you can send a PDF file. You can send pictures or videos, but you cannot send files. Now to be able to send a PDF file on Messenger, what you'll need to do is you will need to upload the file first to Google Drive. After you open up a drive, you simply want to create a folder and name the folder whatever you want, and open up the folder. Here you can tap on the plus icon here on the bottom right and simply tap on upload. Now you can upload the file into Google Drive. You can see I have a PDF file right here and it's being uploaded. Now tap on the three dots here and tap on link sharing, and after that tap on copy link. Now you can head back to Messenger, simply paste the link that you just copied. Now whenever the person taps this message, they will be taken to the link and they can download the PDF file from there. So that's how easily you can send PDF file on Facebook Messenger.